once again the train on 2A at 8 o'clock, fully special to Geelong. This train will be stopping at Tarney, Windendale, Little River.
So what they're doing here now is they're changing the seats around to the opposite direction. All of the seats have to be turned around in all of the class carriages.
Windendale, Little River, Lara, Corio, North Shore, North Geelong and Terminal Geelong.
I don't know if you can see it, but that's what they're doing. They're changing the seats around to the opposite direction. Okay, there we go. So we'll swivel around the seats. Sometimes during the day, if you have a group of 4, a party of 4, they can actually turn them so they're facing in the opposite direction of each other. So this is going to take some time to do because I have to do 2 carriages in first class and then 3 carriages, I think, in economy. Obviously, in the A car or the sleepers, they don't have to actually do this. And it's putting all the tray tables down as well. Some of those tray tables don't actually work. Like the one I was sitting in first class coming up, it actually wouldn't stay down. So I couldn't actually put my laptop on it to work. I think you get the idea.